म्हापशेच्या टास्क फोर्सान NGO प्रतिनिधित्व दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान म्हापशेच्या नागरिकांचे एकवटान नाराजी उक्तायल्या। हे विशींचे निवेदन संस्थेन शार उदरगत मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसोजाक दिला। संस्थेच्या वांगड्यांनी म्हापशा मिडियाक ह्यो गजाली उलोवन दाखयल्यो। म्हापशेचे शाराचे उदरगतीचो आराखडो आनी येवजण्यो तयार करपाची जबाबदारी टास्क फोर्साचेर आसतली।
We have presented a memorandum to the Urban Development Minister, Advocate Francis D'Souza, to record our protest at the fact that a task force for MAPSA has been appointed by the Minister and in which, as far as we are aware, no NGO has a part to play. MAPSA Nagrikanzo Ekot has been in the last almost 4 years in the forefront of trying to better the conditions within the city of MAPSA. The minister is well aware of this fact, because we met him between the second and third week of April 2012 this year, soon after the elections, and we presented to him a memorandum wherein we stated or wherein we recorded only a few of the aspects and issues that are plaguing the city.
आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी।
सिरियसली शास्त्रीय संगीताचो एक अभिजात असो महोत्सव कला अकादमी आयोजीत करता ताचे पयलींचें स्वरूप परत हें करचें एक निर्णय आमचो जालो आनी एक आनंदाची बातमी आमी रसिकांक दिवपाक सोदतात की अंदूच्यान परतून एकदां सतत 3 दीस संगीताची मेजवानी ही तांकां कला अकादमीच्या वतीन मेळटली। ही संगीत समारोह जो आसा हो तो संगीत समारोह 9, 10 आनी 11 नोव्हेंबर हे 3 दीस कला अकादमीच्या दिनानाथ सभागृहांत जातलो।
मनविंदर बिस्लान रणजी ट्रॉफीत केल्लो खेळ कोणाकूच तितलो खबर आसचो पूण IPL पळोवपी बिस्लाक बऱ्यापैकी वळखत आसतले। रणजी ट्रॉफीच्या ह्या सिजनात बिस्ला गोंय टीमीक खेळटलो। IPLाक लागून बिस्ला गाजलो, मात IPLाचो रणजी ट्रॉफीचेर परिणाम जावंक ना अशें बिस्ला म्हणटा। देशी क्रिकेटीत गोंयची टीम बरी कामगिरी करूंक शकता असो विश्वास ताणें उक्तायला।
We have with us Manvinder Bisla, who has made a reputation of being quite a good hard-hitting batsman with Kolkata Knight Riders in the I.P.L. What do you think is basically I.P.L has superseded the Ranji, the importance of Ranji?
No, I don't think so. Like Ranji Trophy is crucial for everyone. If you like to represent your country, Ranji Trophy is like very important for you to perform there, and then you can get recognized. So for me, it's like Ranji Trophy is must.
Saying that you haven't played first-class cricket in the season gone by, so what was the reason?
I used to play for Himachal, but I didn't get chance to represent them last year. So it was too late for me to change the side. So it was like it's okay. I had a rest for 1 year. I'm feeling fresh.
So you'll be very hungry now that you're going on the ground in the Ranji Trophy and wanting to prove yourself.
Yeah, obviously, like it's a test for me also. Like, and I would like to do well and do well for my state, and so that Goa can go up.
गोंय पंगडाच्या खेळगड्यांची आणि हांगाच्या सुविधांची बिस्लान तुस्त केली.
We are doing very well in the practice. Like it all depends how we do in the matches. So like practice-wise, we are doing very good, and the facilities over here are very good. All the lads over here, they are really working hard and like working hard to the goal of going up. And like Doda is very hard-working guy. He's always working hard with and talking with the boys. So hopefully we will do well.
पंगडाची प्रगती जावंक जाय जाल्यार खेळगड्यांनी समरस जावप गरजेचें अशें हरियाणान जल्मल्ल्या बिस्लान म्हळें.
It takes just one season for any team to go up and do consistently well. So it's a matter of time, or you can say that it's a matter of matches that the team gels well and start performing, and it can go up. It's a matter of just 1 or 2 matches. So I don't think that there's a lack of talent here or something like that. Boys are very good, like they are working very hard, and so just if we do well in matches, in the upcoming matches, I think we can be sure go up.
बिस्लाक सध्या 27 वर्सां, पूण ताका अजून देशा खातीर खेळपाची आस्त आसा.
My dream is obviously to play for my country, and like to play for my country, I have to do well. And like I'm trying to do well and working hard. That's why I'm playing for Goa, and I obviously like I'm hoping that this season goes well for me, and so that I can represent my country.
Looking at the scenario, basically those who have gone on to play for the country over the last few years, they have made it in the national setup at around the age of 23, 24 or even younger than that. So considering that scenario, do you have any comment rather that you still have the ambition?
Yeah, still, why I'm not that old. That 27 is I think I'm mature enough. Like I'm at the right age to represent my country.
परवरच्यान आमचो खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आनी चलचित्र खबराकार ओमकार फळारी.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराची रांगात सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.